Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer. So in this video we are going to work on our mini machine project, and we are going to connect our function block inputs and outputs to the physical output and input. To do this, first of all, we are going to click on device configuration. We click on our device, we go to properties. Here we see this is the inputs and outputs. We have like 1, 2, 3, 10 clock memory bits. We have activated this, and also we have 2 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs. We have like 16 inputs and 10 outputs. I have already given a name, so physical input 1 0.0 as a start button, stop button, and reset button. And we are going to use 2 output, Q0.1 and Q0.0. The one of them are for the motor contactor, and the second one is for signalization lamp. Okay, now we are going to our hobby 1. We click tactic PLC tags and default tag table, and here is our inputs and outputs. So this is the motor contactor, and reset button. This should be our lamp. It's already connected, but I will do it again to start button and stop button. Right, start button, stop button, reset button, motor contactor, and signalization lamp. Okay, so and now if you have a physical PLC, download it in your PLC for to set time and actual time. You don't need any physical inputs and outputs, because if you have a physical HMI, you go to device and network, you click on the network, you just drag and drop a line like this, and if your HMI and PLC is connected with a Profinet cable, and it should work, and it's working. I have tested it already, so I'm sure it's gonna work. So everyone, I thank you very much for being with me till this part, and if you have enjoyed this mini machine programming mini machine, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comments on this button, this channel. I will catch you back in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.